So hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. Today I am going to write a program in which we will print the sum of odd number and even number till a given limit by the user. So first we will take input from the user. An integer n. Now we initialize one more variable 0. So now we run a loop. Integer I is equals to 1, I less than is equals to n, and I plus plus if I remainder 2 is equals to 0, means that this will check whether the numbers are even or odd. So c plus is equals to I, and if this matches then print c. Now we run this program and see what is the output. Now I'm going to write 5. So here you can see that sum of even numbers is 5 because till 5 there are only two even numbers, 4 and 2. We can also print even number with the sum. So here we print I and again run this program. I write 5. Wait, it is not coming because system.out.println. Sorry, we have to put curly braces also, because this curly braces, if we don't put, then the condition given just after the if condition will be printed only executed, not everything will be executed. Now I run this program and I write 5. Here you can see that 2 and 4 are even numbers and sum of there is 6. I rerun this program and check for condition 100. So you can see that sum is 250 and all the numbers till 100 has been printed, even numbers. Now I check for the condition for odd numbers. So we have to do nothing, just to change this and write not is equals to 0. So if it is not is equals to 0, then it will print odd numbers, and if it is equals to 0, I am odd too, then it will print even numbers. So we write 5, 1 and 3 and 5. It is 9 because 5 is also included in even numbers. I rerun this program and see for 10 it is 25. All even numbers till 10 has been printed. 10 is not printed because 10 is not an odd number. So let us understand the logic of this program. So first we initialize one variable n where we take the limit. So the loop starts from 1 and ends till the limit given by the user and increases by 1 every time. So here is the main part of the program where we check whether the number running in this loop is odd or even. So if number mod by 2 is equals to 0, means that if the remainder of the number if divided by 2 is 0 is not is equals to 0, then those numbers are only being added with this variable c. Otherwise all else number are being removed, and the numbers which are true for this condition are also being printed here, and their sum is printed being here. So this was quite a easy program. So if you like this video, you can hit the like button, and if you want more interesting videos of Java like this, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.